I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete UberEats account. For that, first of all, open up your browser. After you open up your browser, enter ubereats.com on your search bar. After that, tap on the search icon which is on bottom right of your keyboard. Be sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on 3-bar menu icon which is on top left. Go to Help and then select Account and Payment options. Go to Account Settings. There you'll see the option of Delete My Uber account. Tap on it and then tap on Delete My Uber account. Enter your email address, and when you are done, tap on Next. After that, enter your password. Tap on Next. You will now receive a verification code on your phone. Enter the verification code and then tap on Verify. Scroll down and select Continue. Choose a reason for deleting your account. If you are sure you want to delete your account, tap on Delete Account. This way you can delete your UberEats account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.